Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita and my channel name is Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. I talk about various things in my channel. I talk about beauty products, I talk about lifestyle, I talk about how you can improve your way of talking to people in English and many other things in my channel. This is the place where I can be myself and I always give my honest opinion, my reviews, my feedbacks, and yes, of course, I share my experience with you all. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here is the button, and if you want my videos to be reminded, again and again, then yes, there is a notification button as well, the bell button. Please hit the bell button as well. You will get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Now there are many things that I talk about, but I've never spoken about this in my channel. Please watch my video till the end. I have actually 12 brands of sanitary napkins, and I'll talk about them all. I'll give you my views, my reviews, and my honest opinion as well. I'll also tell you how you can choose your sanitary napkin for yourself, or which one is travel friendly, which one is good to use at night, which one you can use during your heavy flows, and which one to be used when your flow is not that heavy. So yes, I have 12 brands and I'll talk about them one by one. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Our periods is so essential, guys, we cannot avoid it. So I always thought that a period should not cost us more, because in our country many people do not earn that much, and obviously they also deserve some kind of protection, some kind of safety, some kind of security. Of course, hygiene during those days. All women deserve that hygiene factor, to be maintained during those days. If period is costly, if people can't afford, how can they maintain? So today I'll talk about few brands, few products, which are not so costly. Perhaps anyone and everyone can afford this. A college student who is teaching at the same time as a private tutor, a housewife who is perhaps running a small business, or like anybody, a school student also can afford them. They can save from them pocket money and they can buy it. My video is meant for each and every one. That's why I'm talking about affordability. So there are a few products in market which are damn cheap, I would say. However, they will still give you some kind of protection, some kind of hygiene and safety, of course, during those days. And guys, do not use anything else like cloth or something. Always use a proper sanitary napkin to give yourself proper protection. So the first brand, which is perhaps the cheapest, is this. Take a close look, guys. This is just sanitary pads is what is mentioned over here. This one is actually from Grofers. I do almost 80% of my grocery shopping from Grofers, and this is something I bought from them. Now this one retails for 22 rupees and it has 7 pads. This is a regular size sanitary napkins. However, guys, if you buy it from Grofers, you get it for 15 rupees and there are 7 pads. So how much are you paying for one pad? That's the reason why this is the first one that I'm showing you. This is a size, guys. See, it's very nice. This is the size, guys. And okay, so again, they are not meant for heavy flow days. However, they are affordable, and on the 5th day or sometimes on a 6th day, if you are traveling and you do not have that much flow, it's very little, you can always use them. This is the size, and like I just said, 7 pads, 15 rupees. Another thing, guys, this one is something, this is called Comfy, and as you can see, it's 22 rupees only. This one is from Big Basket. I have used all of them, guys. I'm giving you my honest opinion. This one has that dry cover, dry shield, and guys, this is very comfortable. Size is really small. See, this is the comparison. Sizes are small. These are regular pads. However, they are pretty good for days when you do not have that much of flow. And again, when you come to affordability, you can use them. They are good ones within budget. So another one, guys, this is also like from Grofers. The packaging is really awesome. I love the packaging, guys. These are the bigger ones. These are little costly. 20 pads XL plus, and this is how the packaging looks, guys. The packaging is really good and pads are also good, and but again, guys, they are not for heavy flow days. Size wise, they are fantastic. The packaging is good, guys. I'll just open in front of you. There you go, guys. You have this bag. You can put the napkin inside the package after you are done, and there you go guys, it's quite big. Let's see, yeah, it's really big, it's very nice. You can use it at night as well. There will be no leakage, nothing. These pads are really comfortable. However, like I said guys, you cannot use them during those heavy flow days. They will not absorb much. This one is also from Grofers, and obviously if you are buying from Grofers, you do not really have to pay the MRP. You are getting way lesser than the MRP. Now guys, I have another one. I do not have the outer packaging for this. This is actually VWOW, and this is fantastic, amazing. This one is also XL plus, and packaging is really classy, it's wonderful. And you can put your sanitary napkin after use in this pack and then throw it. I'll just show you how it is. The size is really awesome. Comfort is fantastic. Comfort, like, it's beyond being questioned, Comfort is really great in this, and this is how it is. This is how the size is guys, this big. It's really big, and you can use them for the medium flow days. Okay, for medium flow days they are fine. They will give you a very good coverage, or what should I say, protection I would say. There is no chance of leakage, but yes, definitely, as you can understand, they are not very thick. Okay, they will not absorb much. You will have to be very sure about your flow. So you know, you only know when you have to change it. Please maintain that. Okay, another one guys, this is from Sophie. Sophie, as you guys can see, it is extra long deep absorb sheet, and this is 110 rupees for 18 pads. This is again not that costly, but it's not a cheap brand as well. And this is how the packaging is. Another good nice packing, pretty classy I would say. And this is how the product opens. This is how it opens guys, and then you take it out like this. This is another one which you can use when you have a medium flow. There you go guys, this is the size. I would just compare VWOW, Sophie. There you go guys, you see VWOW is still bit longer. VWOW is actually very good. This is from Sophie guys for your medium flow days, but this one absorbs really good. This is not so thin, this is bit thicker, so you can use this for a little long time. But yes, this shield is not that dry kind of thing. Okay, so this will not give you that comfort. However, this one will give you 100% comfort. This will give you that dry feeling. Okay, so the next one is this. This is Sophie the night pads, and they are just awesome guys. You can wear them at night when you have heavy flow. You can sleep peacefully. There is no tension of leakage, there is no tension of that wetness or something. This is quite big guys. It is 3-folded, and you can understand how big it is. I'll just open it guys and I'll show you. Another thing, you know, let me just be pretty honest with you. I first of all, I wanted to show you, you know, with a small glass like this much ml. I thought I'll put this much ml, that much ml, and then I thought no one really takes a measurement cup or something and can actually measure how much you are bleeding, right? You don't know that. It's just you have to understand. And then also every month flow is not same. In those 5 days also flow is not same. For some it is little bit more. So I mean, it stays for little longer, more than 5 days. For some it ends at the 3rd day. For some it goes for even longer. So you only understand how your flow is and which one you are going to use. There is no such pad which is equally good for all. The pad which I am comfortable in, you may not be comfortable with, right? So this is the one. It is really big. This is my VWOW normal one, the extra large one, and this is Sophie night pad. See, this is really big. It's thick, and it's highly comfortable, highly comfortable. There is one more thing. It has two, if you can see, 2 parts where the adhesive is there. So like aram se it will stuck in your panty, you will have no problem at all. And there is another one guys from Whisper. When I bought them, I actually did not find it was perhaps not there, it was out of stock. I wanted to show you that one also, that is also like this, and that is also extremely comfortable. There is another one, guys, this Rio. I bought it from Flipkart, and I'm not sure whether you get them in any other like online shopping portal or shop. You can buy, I always suggest buy sanitary napkins from online shopping portals, because you get a huge discount. And yes, I mean, like I was just talking about affordability at the beginning of my video, so that actually matters, guys. So this is Rio. Now Rio gives you a packet where you can actually keep the used ones and throw. They give you just this one packet, and this is a Ziploc packet. This is the Ziploc part. So this is something I really like. After using, it's a big tension, big tough job, like how I can dispose them, how I can throw them. For me, it's like, oh my god, I don't like that part. So it gives you that packet, and it helps a lot. And this one retails for yes, this one retails for 80 rupees, guys. And yeah, it has 6 pads, and they are especially meant for nights. You guys see, this big, they are really big. They are, when I opened them, I thought, are these diapers or what? This is how big they are, and they are super duper comfortable. Now this is Sophie night pads. So size wise, this is little bigger. However, this one will cover it very nicely. This is how it fits, and this is how big it is. This will give you a fantastic coverage, guys. After you use them at night, you can simply sleep peacefully. And even though you have a heavy flow during daytime or something, you can actually wear them. Looking at the size, if you think that this one might look little awkward, then let me tell you, this one, I mean, from outside you don't understand anything. Okay, this one looks looks heavier, but when you wear them, you do not feel that they are heavy. And if you look into the mirror and then look at yourself, you also don't understand that you are wearing a pad which is a bit heavier. So this is Rio, guys. I recommend this. I mean, my videos are not sponsored, I am telling you. I mean, none of the brands pay me anything. This is my experience, my honest opinion, and this is how it looks. It looks really wonderful, right? And it gives you great comfort. Now, guys, okay, there is another brand, guys, which is not so new but recently launched in the market. This is called Nine. So Nine has couple of varieties. I have only 3. So this is Night, naturally soft, extra long, and this one is like 6 pads, 275 centimeter. These things again, like 230 centimeter, this centimeter, that centimeter. These things are also it varies from person to person, like how comfortable you are or which one exactly will be good for you, right? So this one is nice, and this is how it is. This is actually basic one, little longer than the regular ones. This is how it is. They are affordable. I'll just tell you how much it is. This one will cost you I don't say it, guys. Actually, I'll put all the details in my description box. You can go through them. Yeah, it is 35 rupees. This is affordable also. And again, if you buy from online shopping portals, you get a good discount. So this is nice. Nothing much to talk about it, but this is how it is. Guys, this is another variety from Nine, and this one is also really good. It has 6 pads and it's 275 ml extra long. This variety is called Nine Dry Comfort. This is also rupees 35. Okay, and this is how the pad looks. This will give you some kind of dry feeling. However, this is not good as the ones which come with a higher price. This and this, you know, they are almost similar. The price is similar. The number of pads are also same. Let me just show you the size. This is the size, and comfort is also, like, you know, there is hardly any difference. So they are almost same. And this is from Nine. Like these are pocket friendly, guys. I love them. They will serve your purpose. So I'm kind of using them, and they are comfortable, I would say. Obviously they are not meant for the days when you have heavy flow, the second and the third day perhaps, but yes, they are good. They have another variety, guys. This is the one, and this is really fantastic. This matches with my outfit today. Okay, so first thing, guys, they give you this small pouch, and you have actually 6 packets in this. I'll just show you guys. This is something I really like. So you get this kind of small packets, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have actually 5 packets here. Okay. Now these 5 packets can be used to dispose your pads. Like I just said, disposing is a big headache for most of us. Perhaps we really do not want to show them. They cannot be thrown like baby diapers or vegetables or any other ways. To really have to pack it properly and throw them. So these kind of disposable bags can actually make our job little easier, isn't it? And guys, let's come to the actual thing now. This is the packaging. Outer packaging is also really attractive. You pay 75 rupees for this one, and you get 6 pads. They are 320 ml, little bigger than the other ones. And again, the 3 folded one, like the other ones that I have shown from Wow or this Grover's pad, Sophie. This is the same kind, but I love the packaging. Don't you guys love the packaging? It's matching. It's really good. It looks cute, and this is how you open it, and this is the size. There it is, guys. This one I'll just do a quick comparison as well. This is from VWOW. This is 9. There you go, guys. This is the size. There you go, guys. This is the size, and I can show you my Sophie as well. If you guys really want to know, like when you buy them, you are just in a dilemma which one to go for, which they give you different kind of promises and sugar coated words, but the basic thing is how much they absorb and how comfortable they are. And this is how it is, guys. These two are almost same size wise, and these two will give you 100% comfort, dry feeling. Just take a close look, guys. See how the texture is. This kind of texture will definitely give you a dry feeling. Okay, so this is by 9, and this is fantastic. And the plus point is you get 6 packets to throw your pads when you are done. Now I have one from Whisper. Whisper, our most favorite, isn't it? There is hardly anyone who have not used Whisper yet. We love them, isn't it? We Indians. So yes, this is how it is, guys. This is one of the standard ones. I mean the basic ones. It's not so hi-fi, high variant ones. Now this one is XL, and this one 6 pads, and it will cost you 36 rupees. Once again, guys, buy it from online shopping portals, you get a good discount. So yes, this is my Whisper, and this is how it looks. This will not give you a high absorption, but yes, for medium flows this is good. Now the last one, guys, last one is Stay Free, a very basic one, but the size is not regular. Regular pads are actually smaller. These are not regular, these are XL, and the 3 folded ones will be XL plus, and then you have the ones which you can use at night, so they are actually bigger. So these are these are the variants. Okay, do not always go by the measurement, like 325 centimeter or something. That will be confusing for you. Always go by XL, XL regular, XL plus, double XL, these kind of things. They will be easier for you to understand which is the size that you're looking for or you're buying. Okay, so this is Stay Free. This is the outer packaging, guys, this one, and 115 rupees. And how many pads? Yeah, 20 pads. 20 pads are there. It's mentioned over here, 20, and 115 rupees, guys. There it is mentioned. If you are her fan, go for it. So this is another pocket friendly one. This is for not for heavy flow. This will give you a medium kind of protection. This is not so good, I must say, but yes, if you are looking your period to be in a what should I say, if you are very conscious about your budget, you do not want to exceed your budget, then yes, these are the things for you. Once again, guys, these ones 15 rupees for 7, you can go for this, and 22 rupees for 7, I guess. Yeah, 7. So you can go for them if you are looking for a budget friendly period. And I always say that yes, in our country, sanitary napkins should be absolutely free. I keep talking to people, I keep telling them. People say that, okay, you are kind of what do you call it, feminist. I said no, it's not like that. It's about necessity. So yeah, hopefully there will be a day when sanitary napkins will be sold absolutely free of, not sold, given, I would say, given absolutely free of charge. But as of now, guys, I'll just end my video with a thought that one day sanitary napkins will be absolutely free of charge in our country. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys once again for staying with me. Have a happy period. You always stay happy, beautiful and confident. Look at yourself every morning and give yourself a smile. That will make a huge difference. Trust me. So yes, take care. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.